pre-match opportunities. So whatever questions you need to ask, please ensure that you ask it at this. Okay? Appreciate it. Yeah, please go ahead.
Thank you very much. Welcome to Pakistan and Pindi. What are your expectation about this series? Because the record between Pakistan and Sri Lanka, Pakistan is ahead.
I think always it's competitive cricket when it comes to Sri Lanka and Pakistan, and I think exciting cricket will come to play from tomorrow. And yes, they are really good side. It doesn't matter about the past; it's all about present, and we just want to do our basics well, and we'll see what will happen.
Welcome to Pakistan. From last 2 days, you are here in Pakistan. How you feel the hospitality? Because we have not a good in past. But what you say about the weather, hospitality? You have seen the pitch. What will be the strategy when Pakistan beat South Africa convincingly? And what will be your positive to handle the Pakistan team?
I think first thing, hospitality is absolute fine. We are really enjoying Pakistan, and as always, they are treating us really well. And yes, Pakistan played good cricket in their last series, and we too, we played, I think, 30, 45 days ago in Zimbabwe, and done really well, especially our ODI side has been doing really well. And just want to do our basics always first, and things keep simple, and back our strengths and go well.
There is no doubt that Sri Lankan ODI team performed very well against New Zealand, Australia, Zimbabwe. But here in Pakistan, the home crowd, especially newskeeper Shaheen is leading Pakistan team, and they are performed very well against South Africa. So how you target Pakistan better, especially Babar, Rizwan and Saim, because they perform very well against South Africa?
Yeah, that's always tough series when it comes to Pakistan. Their home, their conditions, and those are the challenges we are facing. And I think at the moment our environment is really good. And yes, they have very good batting side like Babar Azam, Fakhar Zaman. I think all are in good form, but in the meantime, our bowlers in the good form too. So it's exciting cricket. We'll see from tomorrow.
Captain, how important can be series like this in terms of the preparations before the T20 World Cup, and that's already in your hosting country? And secondly, one more question, there are few injuries as well in your teams, few bowlers, and are you expecting them to join the squad before the T20 World Cup?
You mean outside? Anyone injured?
I think we are really talking about the ODI series.
Yeah.
T20 we will actually discuss.
Yeah, the injury before the squad. Few of the bowlers are injured.
Just one.
Yeah, Dilshan got injured. I think when we were playing in Zimbabwe, he had an knee injury, and he was still suffering with that injury. I think he will recover from that, and it's slightly missed for our team. He's a really good bowler, and he was in really good touch. He took a hat-trick in Zimbabwe. Those kind of things can happen. We have to manage those things.
Pakistan is very tough competitor as compared to Sri Lanka. So anything specific you are aiming to cop up to win this series?
Sorry, I couldn't get you.
Pakistan is a tough competitor. So anything specific you are aiming to win this series?
I think yes, obviously they are really good competitors, and I think that's the cricket we want to play here, competitive cricket. That's how we're going to improve, and always competitive cricket can improve ourselves. So I think especially their fast bowling unit, it's really good skipper Shaheen and Haris Rauf, Naseem Shah, those are really good bowlers, and same time Abra is doing really well. So I think that's the challenge for us as batters facing their bowlers.
Any more questions? Okay.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you.
much.